I am Joe Browning, Vice President of Precision Products, located in Dalton, Georgia. Here at Precision Products, we manufacture high-precision parts for many industries, including aerospace, textile, packaging and handling, food and beverage, energy, and defense. Precision Products was founded in 1993. We set out as a company to locally provide parts, precision parts, for the industry, such as textile that was locally around us. And what we found is a lot of it was being made or produced overseas, and there was no reason why we couldn't produce those here. So we started producing high precision parts for the textile industry and continued to grow the business in the textile industry. As the recession hit the textile industry in 2008, our owner led us down a path of diversity with the owner's slogan of diversify or die. We took our winning recipe in textile and applied it to other industries. We also took our quality standards that we had created and used it to get our ISO certification, which led us into the automotive industry after we got our certification. While we already had the quality standards in place, ISO certification allowed our customers to verify our level of quality that we expected as a company. After achieving the AS9100 certification, it allowed us to start developing relationships in those other industries, focusing on high precision parts that we are accustomed to. We grew that business from zero to roughly about 40% of our business today, which showcases our ability to do high precision parts. After researching many different tool holders, we decided to partner with Lyndex-Nikken. The reason we partnered with Lyndex-Nikken was their standard of quality, accuracy, and precision matched our standard of quality, precision, and accuracy. There are several types of Lyndex-Nikken tool holders that we use in our applications. One of them is the shrink fit tool holder. This tool holder allows us to machine hard to reach places. Another type of tool holder that we use is the milling chuck. Due to its high clamping force and dampening qualities, it allows us to machine aggressively with deeper depths of cuts and more material removal. We use the SK system for our high precision parts due to the 3 microns or less run out, which allows us to keep tighter tolerances. Combining the Lyndex-Nikken tooling system with our Mazak equipment has created a high-performance machining package that allows us to create the accuracy required by the industry. Teaming up with Lyndex-Nikken and their vast knowledge of machining equipment has helped us develop tooling systems that optimize the requirements needed for accuracy. As we implemented the Lyndex-Nikken tooling system into our facilities, the benefits we saw from the tooling package was more rigidity, more accuracy, and longer tool life.